Welcome to Solitaire, and thanks for joining us. Today we have a big tip on how to use the foundation pile at the end of a game to solve an unsolvable puzzle. We have 3 cards, and there's no more moves left, right? Or is there? So that's the big question. Can we figure out what to do with these 3 cards? Can we get those cards out or not? And the answer, of course, involves looking at what we have in this draw pile right here, or this foundation pile right here. So we have this 9 of diamonds right here. I don't know if you can see that right there. And the question is, can we open up, some of these columns right here? If we can open up some of these columns, that would be good. But what do we need to do that? Well, we need to take this 9 down and potentially move some cards around and keep our fingers crossed that we have the move. So we could, let's say, take this 9, play it right here, and that would open up this spot right here. So let's look at how that would go. So we can take this 9, we're going to play it down. That will open up this column right here. So that's a start. This 10 is a good card. That means we can open up this 9 of spades. That's good. 4 of hearts isn't the best card, but we may have another move here. Remember, we want to use these foundation pile cards. We can bring these things down if we need to. So what we need to be able to do is either move this 6 or move this 4. And the question is, what can we bring down? Well, let's start with what we can bring down. We can bring down this 8 of diamonds. Okay, that's good. We can bring down this 7 of diamonds. Played under the 8 of spades. That's good. Can't bring down any more of these cards. But we can bring down the 6 of spades right here. That doesn't get us anything yet. We can bring down this 5 of spades. And the question is, what is under this 4 of hearts? That is a real good card. That's a 7 of clubs. That means we can move this, open up this column, and this column, and we probably solve it here. So let's find out what's going to happen. I'm going to move the 7 of clubs right there. We'll move the 6 of hearts as well. Okay. Ace of hearts is good. We can move this 2 of hearts up top. Let's move the ace of hearts up top first. We can move the 2 of hearts up, and this is a really good card. It's the ace of clubs. And we can move that up. Now we can move this 2 of clubs up. And as you can see, we pretty much have this solved right here. And then we'll move 3 of clubs up. Well, we just got to move that. And that, let's see, this 4 of clubs up, and then 5 of clubs, and we've solved it. And like I said, these situations they come up a lot at the end of games where you're pretty much stumped. You have no moves left unless you create one. So you got to always pay attention to what you have in the foundation pile and see if you can work backwards. And that way you can solve games that were not normally winnable. And of course, that is going to wrap this up. I am signing out. Thank you for watching, and good luck.